Hey, honeys, my sweet sugar dumplings, tap in. So, tonight is Travel Tuesday, and we're journeying to the Valley of Roses in Morocco, a lush paradise where each spring millions of delicate damask roses bloom under the North African sun. But these roses aren't just beautiful, they're medicinal, sensual, sacred. Nestled at the crossroads of North Africa, the Middle East, and Southern Europe, Morocco is a country of contrast and harmony. Golden dunes melt into snow-capped mountains. Coastal breeze blends with the incense of souks. And between it all, a people grounded in spirit and sensuality. Here, ancient Berber traditions like Arab mysticism and French elegance converge into a culture rich with warmth, hospitality, and ancestral wisdom, especially in the rural villages of the Valley of Roses, where women still rise with the sun to gather medicine from the petals of the earth. These roses aren't just harvested for fragrance, they're harvested for healing. In Moroccan homes and hammams, rose petals are steeped in honey, pressed into oil, and distilled into rose water. They cleanse the skin, calm the heart, and arouse the senses. Rose is used to enhance beauty, evoke emotion, and open the body to deeper connection. It is medicine for the nervous system, spirit, and sensual soul. So let's dive deeper. Let's talk about why roses are so powerful in intimacy work. Number one, their aphrodisiac aroma stimulates the limbic brain, which is the seat of emotion and desire. Number two, their soft, velvety texture mirrors the tender nature of touch. Number three, they're symbols of the divine feminine in cultures from Egypt to Persia. Number four, in Taoist medicine, rose calms emotional fire, soothes grief, and invites softness into the heart. This is why rose has been used for centuries in sacred baths, romantic teas, and couples massage oils. In Moroccan's Valley of Roses, you'll find local women infusing petals in raw honey, not just for its taste, but its energetic power. They're used in feminine health tonics, digestive elixirs, skincare masks, and aphrodisiac blends. It's even added to sweets like shabakia, which is a sesame pastry shared during Ramadan, to bring sweetness and sensuality into spiritual practice. But it's not just about tradition, it's about vibration. Rose oil has one of the highest measured frequencies in nature, ranking at 320 megahertz. So let's put this in perspective. A human body vibrates at 62 to 72 megahertz. Lavender oil at 118 megahertz. Frankincense at 147 megahertz. Emotions like love over 500 megahertz. So, yes, roses literally raise the vibration of your space, your skin, your soul. Place a fresh rose in your room, spritz rose water on your sheets, add a few drops of rose oil to your bath. You're not just decorating, you're aligning your body with Shen, the heart spirit in Taoist medicine. You're opening the channels of love, sensuality, and subtle energy flow to the chest and reproductive space. So download Intimate Elixirs, my ebook full of natural, edible skincare recipes for couples to create together. Add a little rose oil to your honey mask, your sensual body elixir, or a cooling heart spray. Each recipe is a blend of nourishment and pleasure, made to deepen your bond while elevating your wellness. Tonight, let the spirit of Morocco awaken something in you, a remembrance, a ritual, a softening. That roles show you how to connect, not just to another, but to the sacred, sensual healer that is always within you. So see you next Travel Tuesday, my honeys, my sugar dumplings. And until then, let your essence stay fragrant, stay soft, stay grounded, and of course, stay orgasmic and delicious. One